afternoon, everyone. My name is Maya Karen. For those of you who don't know, I do run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style. If you are into that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That way you will be notified every single time I upload a video, which is Wednesdays and Sundays. So, question for you. Do you walk into your closet and it seems like it's full of clothes, but then that saying that everyone dreads, or that thought is, oh my God, I have nothing to wear? Well, today I'm going to be discussing with you 11 reasons why you might feel like that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first reason that you don't have anything to wear in your closet is because when you go shopping, you buy pieces. And what I mean by that is, let's say you go into a store and you find an absolutely gorgeous top. You love it, but you don't buy anything to go with it, whether it be a pair of pants, whether it be a skirt, or whether it be shorts. So when you go shopping, be intentional. Think about something that when you're buying the piece, think about something either in your closet that it will go with, or something that you can pair it with easily. So for example, I bought this skirt first. It's a wool skirt, gray, which is my favorite color. And this goes in my closet very well because I can pair it with very many things. But I found this sweater that matches with it perfectly. So, like I said, when you're out shopping, be intentional. If you pick up, and I know this happens a lot with color, and I know a lot of times colors are on trend. Like right now, mint green is very on trend. But if you don't have anything in your closet to go with the mint green, either buy something or really think about the purchase. Which brings me to my next point. So, you and your girlfriends are out having this marvelous time shopping. You go into the store, you see an absolutely gorgeous top. You go into the dressing room and you try it on. You think immediately, I'm in love with this top, it must follow me home. That's fine, but this is what I want you to think about before you buy the top. If you cannot come up with 3 other outfits standing in that dressing room or while you're walking to the cashier, I know you don't want to, but leave the top in the store. The reason why I say that is because if you buy that top and you do not have anything to go with it, it will sit in your closet and your money will be wasted. So let me give you an example. I bought these gorgeous shoes. They are from Topshop. And while I do love the color, it's not a usual color, but I bought them for a specific reason. I bought them for a dress. I bought it from & Other Stories. It has puff sleeves, it's purple. It goes with it perfectly. But the other thing is that while these shoes are gorgeous, they don't go with everything. But in my closet, I have at least 3 other outfits that I can wear with these shoes. So let me show you. Okay, so the third reason as to why you don't have anything to wear is because you don't have staples in your closet. You don't have any foundational clothing in your closet. When I'm talking about staples, I'm talking about classics. A neutral color trench coat, a black pair of boots, a black pair of heels, a pencil skirt, jeans, a white top, and a camisole. Those are things that will help build your wardrobe while also staying classic and keeping you on trend. So for instance, right now, puff sleeves are all the rage. They're everywhere. They're coming in shirts, they're coming in dresses. So this is my newest puff sleeve top, beautiful. It's from Banana Republic. So when I wear this is definitely a trend top, but I'm going to pair this with a staple, which would be a pencil skirt. Again, classic, and you can wear it with anything. So I would take this top and I would wear it with this white pencil skirt. Pencil skirts are classic. They will always stand the test of time. And a white pencil skirt is even more classic. Now, with that same top, yes, I could wear a pink or a red pencil skirt, but those aren't as classic and they don't necessarily go with everything. So the third reason as to why you don't have anything to wear is staples. Try building your staples first, and what I always say is save on trendy and spend on classic. That way you have those classic pieces, they are quality, and you won't have to buy them season and season again. Which brings me to my next point as to why you don't have anything to wear. All of your clothes are trendy. If all of your clothes are trendy, if you are always on trend, if you are always wearing trends, then you will constantly be throwing things out and you will constantly be buying anything. Again, it goes back to the point that I made earlier. You don't have any foundational pieces in your closet. So let me give you an example. Okay, so both of these are very trendy pieces. Right now, neon colors are very in. This is a midi dress, but I'm showing it to you because of the color. Neon and bright colors are going to be really in for spring and summer. Another thing that's very, very trendy and has been actually for a couple of seasons are sheer or sheer clothing. Sheer dresses, sometimes even sheer skirts, sheer shorts, and sheer shirts. While this is beautiful, I got it from Zara, it is still very trendy. But again, if you pair it with something classic like a pencil skirt and just a cami, you'll be on trend, but you still have those foundational pieces in your closet. And really, the only thing on your outfit or the only thing of your outfit that is trendy is this, because the camisole and the pencil skirt have already been in your closet. The next reason as to why you don't have anything to wear in your closet, and I actually have fallen off when it comes to this as well, but accessories. Accessories can change an outfit. You have hats, you have scarves, you have belts, but more importantly, you have jewelry. I myself love either a good statement earring or a good statement necklace, and I actually do have many of them. So what I would suggest to you is you can go either way. You can do earring or you can do necklace. Start with something simple. Start with something very understated. For example, I know right now very simple necklaces that are layered are very in. So what you can do is you can find a couple that you like. Maybe you like initials. So maybe just get your initial and then have just like another necklace just hanging down. And then when it's not on trend to wear layered jewelry, then you can just wear them single or you can wear them one at a time. And then I would suggest next is just getting a statement necklace for, a special occasion or for whenever you just, want to be a little over the top that day. I would say the exact same thing for earrings. Right now I have on just a simple stud earring, but I do also have earrings that take up half the side of my face. It's really your preference, but I would say start with something very simple. So get one simple and then get one statement and then build from there. So another reason you might not have anything to wear is because you might simply just be bored. So my question to you is, do you have any prints in your closet or do you just strictly wear solids? So let me give you an example. Prints. You can do floral. Floral is very in right now, and actually floral is always in. It's just a matter of if it's big floral, small floral print. But something like this, or if you are bold and bright, something like this. Now, if you are a person who just loves solids, but you kind of want to delve into or stick your toe in the prints to liven up your closet, what I would suggest is start with a very classic print. As you can see, I do have on polka dots. It's actually one of my favorite prints because it's classic. So when I say classic prints, I mean polka dots, I mean stripes. You can even do houndstooth. Houndstooth is that black and white kind of like geometric shapes, but that's what I would suggest to you. If you don't want to go full on bright or full on crazy prints, start with very classic prints, like I keep saying, that will transcend time. Houndstooth comes and goes, so do polka dots. I know right now polka dots are very in, but they are also classic. The next reason why you don't have anything to wear in your closet, and this might be, I guess, an unconventional tip, or this might not sound or might not seem like it makes sense, but playing dress up, playing in your closet. We all, as little girls, we all used to do it when we were little. We used to play in our mother's makeup. We used to try on her shoes. We used to try on her clothes. Of course, they were too big, but it was fun. It gave us this sense of, maybe one day I aspire to be this. But when I say play in your closet, and yes, I know that, we're adults, we have other responsibilities, but when you walk into your closet and you feel like you have nothing to wear, you might just simply not know what's in your closet. You might not remember, might not be able to find anything. But let me challenge you to do this. Take out 3 items in your closet and make 3 outfits with each item. You might actually discover that some things go much better with other things that you never really realized. For instance, I was playing in my closet this weekend because of, the situation right now. It's not really much to do. And I personally found out that camel and mint go really well together. And that was just something that I found when I was looking in my closet and I actually saw everything in my closet and I was able to look at it in a different way. So I would suggest doing that, and also don't do it when you're in a rush or when you have something else to do, because you won't really be focused on the task at hand. And if you truly cannot find 3 things or 3 outfits to go with that piece, the other thing is that it might be time to actually get rid of that item. The next reason why you don't have anything to wear, or why you feel like you don't have anything to wear in your closet, is because you are settling. You should absolutely love every single thing that you have in your closet. If you don't, then it doesn't need to be there. And when I say that, we all have this scenario where, oh my God, we just got invited to this beyond fun party and you have nothing to wear. So what do? You go out, you rush to the mall or wherever it is you shop, and you find something. Or you might not find something. So what you do is you settle. You buy something that's kind of cute, but it might not fit. You don't have time to take it to the tailor. It looks all right on you. It feels all right on you. If you buy something and you're going to go out in it and you're fidgeting with it all day or all night, number 1, you're not going to be comfortable. Number 1, you're going to look crazy with fidgeting with your clothes. And number 3, you're just simply not going to exude that confidence that I know that you have. But also, which is a pain point for all women, is sizing. I know as women we do fluctuate when it comes to weight, but if you walk into your closet, or think about it this way, you walk into your closet and literally nothing fits because it is either too big or too small, you are going to wake up every single morning dreading getting dressed. So here's what I want you to do. If you are in that situation, get a bin, get it from Target, Walmart, wherever it is you get your bins from, and just store the clothes away. That way, when you are ready to give them up, or if you have either gained the weight back or lost the weight, you can pull those clothes back out. You can put them in your closet. And I know it might not seem like a big deal, but it's actually subconsciously. You're setting yourself up to fail even before you attempt to get dressed, because you have walked into your closet and literally nothing fits. So don't settle. Make sure every single thing in your closet you absolutely love. For example, the dress that I have on, it is from Banana Republic. It is polka dots, one of my favorite prints. I had been stalking this dress probably for a good month, and then I saw that it went on sale and I bought it. So let me stand up and show you. This dress is a 10. It completely embodies my fashion aesthetic. It's fit and flare, it fits me to a T, and it's in one of my favorite prints. Okay, the next reason why you might not think you have anything to wear is because your clothes are hidden. It's just simple as that. That old saying does read true. Out of sight, out of mind. So what I am in the process of doing is our spare bedroom. It is currently my office, but I'm actually turning it into an office/closet. That way I can have everything displayed, whether it becomes my shoes or my jewelry. And that's the one thing that I do need to work on, is displaying my jewelry, because sometimes I do forget of what I have. So when you have everything laid out, whether it be your shoes, clothes, purses, or your clothes, you can get a better view of what it is that you have in your closet, because sometimes you might actually forget. You might actually have that white camisole, you just don't know where it is. So that would be my next tip. Get organized in your closet. Have a space for shoes, have a space for purses, have a space for your actual clothes. And the other thing that will help you organize or see what you have in your closet is color coding. And I do it all the time. You can go through the rainbow, which is the Roy G. Biv, or you can just do whatever colors your closet is or are. So you have your camels, you have your blacks, you have your whites. The next reason, and the 10th reason why you feel as though you don't have anything to wear in your closet, is because you just go shopping just to go shopping. We all do it, and there's nothing wrong with it. You know, our girlfriend calls us up and says, hey, let's go shopping. It's fun. As a woman, we love to shop. It's considered retail therapy. But also think of it kind of like going to the grocery store. Make a list of what you don't have. So for instance, summer is around the corner. Let's say, for instance, you're a t-shirt and jeans girl, but you know that you don't have a red shirt and a black shirt, and you don't have light wash jeans or light wash shorts or light wash pants, and you know that you need them. Put those on your list. That way, when you go into a store, you already know what you're looking for, because we have always had that purchase that we absolutely love it in the store. It fits. We love it. Our girlfriends are egging us on. It looks really good on you. You bring it home and it sits in your closet. Why? Because it doesn't go with your style. It doesn't go with your aesthetic, and you have nothing to go with it. But if you make a list prior to going to the mall or wherever it is you shop, even online, if you make a list or have in your mind what it is that you are looking for, you will actually come out better. You will actually have, again, going back to those staples, because the things that I did list are staples: jeans and t-shirts and shorts. You will have those for seasons to come. And then that way, when you already have those and a trend does come along that you want to try, you will have those foundational pieces to build that outfit. Okay, so the 11th and final reason why you just simply don't have anything in your closet. If you walk into your closet and you just feel like your wardrobe does not speak to you anymore, you don't feel like it's you, guess what? You have bossed up, or other people say you have leveled up. Your clothing no longer exudes or shows who you are. So for example, this dress, while it is very pretty and it does have pockets, I love a good dress with pockets, I probably haven't reached for this dress in the past 2 years. So when it comes time for me to do my closet purge, I will be donating that dress. While the dress is beautiful, I just feel as though it no longer speaks to who I am, or it speaks to my aesthetic when it comes to fashion. So like I said, if you just walk into your closet and you're just kind of like in about everything, I'm not saying just go to the mall and just have a free-for-all, but start thinking about what it is that you want to say when you're wearing your clothing, because fashion is a way to express yourself without having to say anything. So what I would suggest to you is to go on Pinterest or go on Instagram and just get some inspiration. Find out what your new aesthetic or style is. And then that way, again, starting with the staples, you can begin to build that next up wardrobe. So ladies, those are all the tips that I have for you today. Bye for now.